star of Schitt's Creek issues an apology for his ignorant Halloween costume during the Johnny Depp trial. "I feel embarrassed." After dressing up as a thoughtless and ignorant Halloween costume that parodied one of the most talked about celebrity trials of the previous year, actress Emily Hampshire expressed her shame. At Halloween, Hampshire, who played the sardonic motel employee Stevie Budd for 6 seasons on Schitt's Creek, dressed as Johnny Depp with a friend dressed as Amber Heard. The former couple's acrimonious legal battle, which took place in the Fairfax County Courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia, for 7 weeks last summer, during which both sides traded accusations of abuse, was alluded to in their costumes. Hampshire expressed regret for her Halloween attire, describing it as insensitive due to its seeming trivialization of domestic abuse. Hampshire posted on Instagram, saying, "I want to address what is one of the most thoughtless, insensitive, and ignorant things I've ever done. For Halloween, I stupidly thought it would be funny to dress as Johnny Depp and Amber Heard," wrote the writer. "I sincerely apologize and feel embarrassed for releasing something so horrible into the world." Fans' opinions of Hampshire have been divided. While some believe that her costume was inappropriate, others argue that culture is growing too sensitive and that Hampshire did not need to apologize. Hampshire has been contacted by Fox News Digital for additional comments. Any response will be updated in this article. On the grounds of domestic abuse, Heard requested a restraining order following her year-long marriage to Depp in 215,216. In the wake of a divorce settlement, a judge later dropped the charges against Depp, who refuted the accusations. Depp filed a defamation lawsuit against Heard in 2022 after she claimed to have been the victim of domestic abuse in an opinion piece published in the Washington Post without mentioning Depp. He and his team claimed that the opus-ed seriously hampered his Hollywood career and even cost him movie roles. Heard filed a $100 million countersuit, alleging defamation as well. A jury found in favor of Depp in his defamation lawsuit against Heard, giving him a damages award in excess of $10 million. Heard initially appealed the ruling, but in December 2022, they reached an out-of-court settlement where Heard gave Depp $1 million in damages. He intended to give it to charities, according to his legal team. "My life was restored by the jury. I am genuinely humbled," Depp remarked after the decision. Regardless of the result, the whole point of bringing this case was to expose the truth from the start. "I owed it to my kids and to everyone who has stood by me throughout this whole ordeal to tell the truth." Heard expressed her fear in a statement of her own that the case would mark a regression in the advancement of women's rights. "I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband," the statement continued. "This decision is a setback. It takes us back to a period when a woman could face public humiliation and shame for speaking up and speaking out."